Unlock a new level of video creation on your PC by seamlessly importing viral TikTok templates directly into CapCut. First, head over to TikTok on your PC and in the search bar, type CapCut template followed by the specific theme or style you're looking for, perhaps aesthetic vlog or fast edit tutorial. Once you find a template you like, play the video and look for the Try This Template button above the creator's name. This is your gateway to effortless editing. Clicking that button will open a new web page where you'll see the template preview. Look for the Open CapCut Desktop button and give that a click, ensuring CapCut is already installed on your PC. CapCut PC will then automatically launch, importing the chosen template directly into your project. You'll see placeholders for your photos and videos. Now, simply drag and drop your own media, your photos and videos into these placeholders on the timeline. CapCut will automatically adjust them to fit the template's timing and effects. Preview your creation to see how your content looks with the template's dynamic transitions, music, and effects. It's truly that simple to achieve professional edits. When you're happy with your video, head to the Export button. You can choose your desired resolution and frame rate before finally exporting your masterpiece. And there you have it, a stunning, trend-ready video created on your PC using a TikTok CapCut template, ready to be shared across any platform.